So, hello everyone, welcome to Analysis Trends. I'm Rupam, I'm currently a business analyst. In our last video, we have learned about how the BABOK guide is divided into multiple chapters, and we ourselves have divided into three sections, that is introduction, knowledge areas, and then techniques. In this video, we are going to learn about the chapter 1 introduction part with the three subtopics, that is purpose of BABOK guide, what is business analyst analysis, and who is a business analyst. Okay, so let's move forward with the introduction. You can learn along with me using your BABOK guide, and it's very easy for you to understand the topics. So the purpose of BABOK guide, according to the BABOK, is the primary purpose is to define the profession of a business analysis, right? Now these are the tasks or these are the skills which are accepted by the experts, or we can say the accepted practices that are done by the business analyst. Now these skills are necessary to perform the business analysis task that is written in the BABOK guide. Now, anyone, any organization, if you're working, if you are aware of BABOK guide and if you are certified as a BABOK guide, they can expect the skills out of you because you have gone through the BABOK guide. That is what is mentioned. Business analysis is a broad profession, right? We might work in different enterprises, different teams, right? The only common part is the knowledge areas. The way you perform the task is still same. Okay, so for any role or any organization you work, if you're doing a business analysis process, the standards are written in the BABOK guide. Okay, now moving forward, so business analysis is basically the task may vary in form of individuals or in case of various initiatives, but the process, the procedure to do it, the standards are still same. Now there are six knowledge areas in BABOK guide which are actually the core task of a business analysis process. The first one is a business analysis planning and monitoring. Then you got elicitation and collaboration. Then requirement lifecycle and management, strategy analysis, requirement analysis and design definition, and solution evaluation. So these six knowledge areas are the actual task of a core business analyst. This will help a business analyst to perform all the business analysis activities. Moving forward, what is business analysis? So, business analysis, as per the BABOK, is a practice of enabling change in an enterprise by defining needs and recommending solutions that deliver value to the stakeholders. Basically, we as a business analyst perform the tasks in order to provide a change in an organization or change or making a change. Now, how do we make a change is basically some stakeholders would have some problem or something that need to be enhanced. Now, understanding their problem is basically a need, right? And then defining their need is a requirement. Once you identify the requirements, probably you recommend a solution to satisfy those needs, right? Once you satisfy those needs, probably you will give value back to the stakeholders, and that's where the whole business analysis process work. Solving a business analysis problems in case of recommending solutions, identifying a proper need, and the solutions are actually met to solve those need will add value to the stakeholders is the only definition for a business analysis. Now, business analysis is performed on varieties of initiatives, right? It can be more strategic, tactical, or operational. Now, a business analyst may perform the analysis within the boundaries of a project, right? And it can be also used to define the future state and the current state of the project or the process which you're working. And you can use the business analysis to move from current state to future state, like a transition. Business analysis can be performed from a diverse array of perspectives. Describe several their perspectives like agile, business and intelligence, information technology, business architect, business process management. So these are all lenses, what they mention, right? In way of understanding things and how you want to present or perform the process. Correct. So business analysis overall is the only thing that is defining a change, sorry, enabling a change, when defining a needs, recommending a solution, and giving value to the stakeholders back. Now, who is a business analyst? So, business analyst is the person who perform the business analysis task. Now, he's the one who actually enable the change or bring the change by doing elicitation. Elicitation is nothing but you are doing a requirement gathering from a stakeholders and defining all those requirements to the developers or the development team to build the solution. Now, once the solution is built, you will probably compare whether all the requirements or needs are satisfying through that solution. And once you are satisfying all the needs and requirements of the through that solution, definitely the value is added back to the stakeholders. And that's where the whole process of business analyst is behind the business analysis tasks, right? Now, there are many roles in the organization as well as in the market who actually is not a business analyst by a designation, but are also performing business analysis tasks. Some of them are like process analyst, product manager, product owner, then systems analyst, business systems analyst, business architect. So there are all, you can see the list there. The main point there is they also perform the business analysis tasks. Those are the six knowledge areas, right? So it's not that only business analyst will be working on that, but in any role, if you are doing any business analysis, right, probably comes under this role categories, and it is meant to be performing in that way because any business analyst can work as a data analyst as well. Any business analyst can also work as an systems analyst, right? It depends on how they want to move. Like we got business architect, business agile business methods, you got business intelligence, right? Moving towards data would be business intelligence, moving towards systems analyst will be business architect. So there are many more roles which is like defining the business analysis task. We're going to cover the structure of BABOK guide in the next video. So stay tuned and read along, and probably you will be able to get more knowledge out of this. And if you have any comments or any doubt in particular sections we discussed, please comment below and just mention what exactly you are facing and what is the point that you want to be understand from this particular session, right? So stay tuned. Thanks for watching and stay connected. Thank you.